Begin by opening the front trunk. You'll notice there are 3 plastic panels, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side, and one in the center. We'll be removing the center one for this procedure. Firmly pull up on the corner closest to the air intake. Continue to unclip it all along the side closest to the windshield. Firmly push the panel towards the center of the vehicle to unclip it from the hydraulic mount. Repeat this process for the driver's side of the panel, ensuring that the panel is unclipped from the hydraulic mount. Now that the panel is unclipped, move it away from the passenger side of the vehicle and ensure that the air intake is not blocked. The air filter cover should now be accessible and can easily be removed by pushing outward on the clip and pulling it off. Now, remove the air filter by simply sliding it out. Before installing the new filter, first take a damp cloth and wipe the air intake to remove any excess dust and other particles. Ensure that the airflow arrow indicator on the replacement filter is pointing up before installing it. To install the replacement filter, simply slide it into the recess. Next, reinstall the air filter cover by aligning the clips and firmly pushing them in to ensure that they're engaged. Before reinstalling the panel, ensure that the orange emergency tag is draped over the passenger side panel. Now, move the panel towards the center of the vehicle. Starting with the passenger side of the panel, firmly push the panel towards the center of the vehicle to ensure that it clips near the hydraulic mount. Once again, ensure the orange emergency tag is still visible. Avoid having the panel pinch the rubber seal. This can be resolved by ensuring the panel is pushed below the rubber seal. On the driver's side of the panel, push it towards the center of the vehicle, again ensuring that it clips near the hydraulic mount. Now, check that the panel fits evenly under the rubber seal. Push the panel down firmly near the windshield wiper reservoir, and if the cap became open, be sure to close it. Clip the panel near the air intake by firmly pressing down. Ensure the panel is firmly clipped in place along its length. Now, simply close the trunk and use 2 hands on either side of the Tesla emblem.